What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Team Corrali Kronos XTR 2022 6S Traxxas Sledge 6S. I want to compare these two vehicles today. I know the Kronos is faster, definitely faster than the Sledge, but the Sledge is way more durable. Just want to see the drive difference between the two. Let's get into it. Sledge. Never get the right jump spot right here. Nice little jump. I think I found the spot. It's like a little divot right there. Let's see if I can turn this into a backflip. Turn it into something. If I full throttle it, I'll turn it into a backflip or something. Hey, all these rocks. get the beast done. It's a monster. Now let's pull out the Crichton. Kronos, let's pull out the Kronos. And the thing is, I changed out the receiver, so I ain't got to worry about it cutting on me, so I can hammer on it a little bit. Only thing is, I put it on 4S, so it's not going to have that speed of the Sledge, but that's cool. The suspension is cool, handling is cool, not as good as the Sledge right now. Yeah, it's got awesome handling. Suspension is good. Will the Kronos survive? You can definitely tell it ain't got as much power as what you call it. Maybe I should have did these on 6S. Whoa, where'd it go? It's a crawler. Not as easy as the Sledge, huh? I don't even think I caught that. It's the end of that wing. That thing is mangled right there. I lost the wing in the wheelie bar mount. She's still good. Like I told y'all, this bad spot right here is very hard on your RC, so you'll be able to test the durabilities here besides extreme jumps. And let's do a damage report. Damage report on the Kronos. Everything is fine except for the wing mount and the wheelie bar mount. That's just one mount. Here go the mount right here. So this is, no, it could be saved. Okay, it could be saved. Let's see if I didn't strip the screws all the way out and break it. Yep, it can be saved. Of course, the Kronos is fine. It's straight. Chassis is straight. All the screws are there. That one looked like it's a little loose. Now the Sledge It really didn't have no crashes, so, but damage report on that is none. Chassis is fine. Arms are fine. All the screws are still in there. Yeah, the Sledge, man, it was handling its business nice and stable, durable, but I really didn't crash, so I really couldn't say if it's extremely durable. It's just hard to flip it. So this definitely gets a 10. Yeah, but the Kronos did pretty good. Nice handling. Not as stable. Not as handling is good though, but not the stability. Durability is not as good. So we're gonna give the Kronos XTR a 9.5. About the Sledge, this is expensive. This is a very expensive RC car. I'll put the price right at the bottom right there. And the Kronos, this is the price of it right there at the bottom. This comes as a roller, just gotta add your own parts. So you add a couple, maybe $150, $200 more if you're being cheap to the price right there. In my Team Corrali, I'm running a Team Corrali system in it. The Curon 2050 kV motor and the Torx 185 amp ESC. The servo I'm using, I'm not sure, but I believe it's one of those Amazon cheap servos for like $25. I got it from the hobby shop, like $25 servo. But this servo is actually great. Now I'm running this fan here that I found. Who knows where I found this little tiny ass fan. It ain't stopping nothing from overheating, but it's over there. The Sledge is running the Phillyswords system, 6S system. I don't know the specifics on what's the ampage in the ESC and the KV of the motor. Just 6S VLX. And factory servo. The servo is a little slow, but it does the job. If I switch it out, it'll be because it blows out. It does do the job. It works fine. Bracings to the car. The Sledge has a brace in the middle and two more braces from front to middle, back to middle. Now with the Kronos, it has, well, this is a 4-piece bar, but it's a straight front to back. And then you got one that's, this is all aluminum. Aluminum front to back, front to middle, and back to middle, aluminum brace. And then the bottom braces come from front to middle, but they're aluminum, so they're stronger. Their braces are stronger. These are plastic. Sledge is plastic, but it gives it more flex. I kind of rather my braces be all metal, even though plastic does flex better, stop it from bending as much. Well, that's enough talking. Hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, and I'm out.